One more unboxing from Ovantica. This time I bought iPhone 11 Pro 256 GB gold variant in fair condition. It costed me 15,000 rupees. Before unboxing, I need to mention few important things. If you are planning to buy from this website, keep these three things in your mind so you won't face any bad experience after purchasing. Step 1. Condition of the device. You have to ask all the questions about the device quality, whether it has any issues or not, and you can even ask for the video of the device. They will definitely send you, and if it has any issues, they will definitely mention before selling itself. Step 2. When you receive the device, try to record a full unboxing video and check all the important features like SIM, display, charging ports, internal mics, and things like that. If it has any issue that is not mentioned before, this video will be helpful in claiming the warranty. Check all these things while recording the video. Try to record it fully. That's why you should always record an unboxing video. Step 3. If the device has any issue that is not mentioned before, you should claim warranty, but you should try to inform them in the first 7 days itself so you can claim the warranty without having any issues. Like if the device is damaged during the shipping or they sent you a wrong device, in these cases you can claim the warranty, but if you cause any physical damage by yourself, you can't claim warranty. Coming back to iPhone 11 Pro unboxing, this is a fair condition device. The only issue in this device was the battery is replaced and the battery capacity is 100%. Rest of the parts are original and not changed. The price was 16,000 rupees, but you can always use the coupon which is available in the website itself. So with the 1000 rupees coupon, I got this for 15,000 rupees. I checked the device condition. There are no scratches anywhere on the display or on the panel, and the touch was fine. Everything is working. I just cleaned the charging port. It has some dust, but all the functions are working fine, like the charging port, touch, display, everything works fine. So you should also check for these things when you buy something. In the box on the top you will find the bill itself, then the phone, then the charging cable, along with sim ejecting pin and warranty card. Like always, this video is also not sponsored by anyone. I bought this myself.